Does your Roborock S6 MaxV robot vacuum refuse to move even when you turn it on? Have you been stressed out by this and need the best solution to resolve the problem? You don't have to worry. Let's take a look at what we have successfully solved for our customers. Having a Roborock S6 MaxV robot vacuum that would not move and the rubber tires were loose. Our customer brought the robot vacuum to us for repair. We took the robot vacuum out and tried to turn it on, but it wouldn't start and wouldn't move at all like this. We investigated further, and what do we find? Lid has been damaged, it falls down when opened, do not stand. We diagnosed the issues: faulty LiDAR, worn out wheels, and a damaged lid. We recommended LiDAR replacement, wheel replacement, and lid repair. With the customer's approval, we dove into action. Before we handed it back, we do a unit test to ensure no further problems. And then, the moment of truth. Robot vacuum is back in action, gliding effortlessly without a hitch. Why choose us for your robot vacuum repair? Expert diagnosis and solutions. Transparent communication with our customers. Swift and efficient repair processes. Thorough unit testing for guaranteed performance. Do you have a similar robot vacuum problem? Let us be your solution.